Cheaper isn't better. The city of Detroit learned a hard lesson, but you don't have to. Their streetlights failed because, let's face it, you get what you pay for. This entire nightmare could have been easily avoided. We know because the Eagle has been innovating superior quality lights for a very long time. Our careful specification and manufacturing process guarantees lights that last. Call us when you're ready to upgrade your outdated lights to quality LED fixtures. No budget fluorescent or retrofit bulbs. Real LEDs with no flicker, no yellow, no defects, no replacements, and no problems over a decade or more of constant use. If LED lights are made right, they will go the distance. Isn't that what you're looking for?